Hello everybody, here are some tips and tricks to make better use of your Magic Remote on WebOS 22. 1. Hold the OK button to rearrange apps. When you are in the Home menu, you can point to an app and hold the OK button to activate the edit mode. Now you can drag and drop the app to another position, or you can delete an app. Also, you can apply Intelligent Edit to change the order of the apps based on how frequent the apps are used. 2. Switch the TV on with the streaming buttons. You might already use these shortcut buttons to quickly open a streaming service, but did you know you can also use these buttons to switch on the TV? For example, if you already know you're going to watch Netflix, just switch on the TV using the Netflix button. The TV will then switch on and directly open Netflix. 3. Create your own shortcut buttons. You can create your own shortcuts to apps or inputs under one of these number buttons. This is called Quick Access. For example, if you are in the YouTube app, you can create a shortcut to YouTube by holding one of the number buttons. For example, under the number 1 button. After that, you can use the shortcut by holding the number button. Now holding the 1 button will open YouTube. You can also create a shortcut to an HDMI input or a specific TV program. You can edit the shortcuts by holding the 0 button. You can see which shortcuts are programmed and you can delete shortcuts. Also, you can add shortcuts from here. Four, use voice control to open apps or inputs. Another quick way to open apps or inputs is to use voice control by holding the microphone button. The first time you do this, you might have to agree to the user agreements for voice control. After that, hold the microphone button while you speak into the microphone. Just say the name of the app or the input to open it.
YouTube.
Going to YouTube app.
HDMI 1.
I'll switch to HDMI 1 screen.
5. Holding the home button. If you hold the home button, the most recent app or input is opened. Hold it again and you go back to the app or input you are using. For example, this is how you can jump back and forth between Netflix and the TV program you are following. Six, holding the input button. If you hold the input button, the home dashboard is opened. Here you can manage your inputs, connect your phone, or connect to smart home devices. 7. Holding the settings button. If you shortly press the settings button, the quick settings menu is opened. From here you can go to the all settings menu. But if you quickly want to go to all settings, just hold the settings button to skip the quick settings and go directly to the all settings menu. 8. Using the 3 times mute button menu. If you press the mute button 3 times, you will see this menu. This only works when you are using live TV or an HDMI input. In this menu you can see the model number and the serial number of your TV. Also, you can switch off the LG logo, which appears when you switch off the TV. Or switch off the no signal image, when there's no signal coming from the input. 9. Use the 3 dots button. When you press the 3 dots button, the More Actions menu is opened. The options in this menu depend on which app or input you are using. For example, if you are watching live TV, the More Actions menu includes the option to open teletext. If you are using an app, you will see the option to quit the app. This will close the app completely. It will no longer be running in the background. You can use this when an app is causing issues. The app is then closed and it restarts the next time you open it. These are some tips and tricks on the Magic Remote. We hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching. For more help, please contact your local LG help desk.